Hello everyone, the DIY commander today from this beautiful roof, still in Luxembourg, in Canard. Today we're gonna do the ring beam, so like the reinforcement. I'm gonna flip the camera. So as you guys can see, we got iron, lots of rebar. This one is gonna be about 14 meters. And Ivy is getting the sand and cement ready. Afterwards we are mixing the cement up here and we're going to fill all of it. Yeah, so beautiful day. We are lucky with the weather, to be honest. Like I said before, here's the famous mixing station. All the useful ingredients. Then we do it old school, wheelbarrow. And then we're gonna go all the way up here. Okay, just in between we got about, what is it now? 5 o'clock. We started around 1:30. So okay, 7 hours later, we got it all done. Finishing touches done by Alfie right now. So that can dry up for a few weeks, or at least for a week or two. And then we're gonna put the roof on top. Right. Have a great evening. See you soon.